One morning the world woke up to silence. The internet had disappeared forever without warning. People refreshed screens again and again, hoping it was just another temporary global outage. Offices stopped instantly. Work dependent on invisible digital systems collapsed within minutes. Students realized knowledge was no longer one search away. Learning suddenly felt difficult. Hospitals struggled without digital records, forcing doctors to depend on memory and handwritten notes. News channels had nothing to show because their sources lived entirely online. Families across cities felt distant again without instant messages, video calls, or emails. Slow communication returned. Letters, phone calls, and waiting became normal again. Online shopping, food delivery, and digital payments vanished. Convenience disappeared overnight. Local shops returned. People carried cash and spoke directly to shopkeepers. Libraries became powerful again. Knowledge required effort, patience, and physical presence. Millions of internet-based jobs vanished, forcing people to rethink survival. Face-to-face meetings replaced emails. Communication became slower but more human. Classrooms returned to chalkboards, textbooks, and deep, focused discussions. Without distractions, students developed memory, focus, and critical thinking skills. At first, people felt anxious, bored, and lost without constant digital stimulation. Dopamine habits disappeared, forcing minds to face silence for first time. People began noticing surroundings, nature, sounds, and moments previously ignored. Families talked more, shared meals, and rebuilt emotional bonds. Children returned outdoors, replacing screens with imagination, movement, and laughter. Communities grew stronger, relying on neighbors instead of online solutions. Conflicts increased too because digital filters no longer softened conversations. People rediscovered hobbies, reading, writing, drawing, and quiet thinking. Creativity returned in raw human form without algorithms controlling attention. Ideas spread slowly through travel, conversations, and shared experiences. The world became smaller, slower, but more real. Humanity survived thousands of years before the internet. Technology connected us but also stole patience, privacy, and presence. Losing the internet taught humanity the value of real connection. The real question is, will we remember how to live while internet still exists?